Disclaimer. This content is published by Global Miranda Minor Group LLC, FZ, a Dubai-based entity. All information is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice or investment solicitation. Crypto trading involves substantial risk and may not be suitable for all individuals. Always do your own research. This material is not intended to market, offer, or promote securities or financial products to residents of the Philippines in compliance with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC of the Philippines.
10 to 15 minutes of your time today, pag-usapan natin, bull o bear? Bull na ba o bear na ba? Pag-usapan natin in this particular episode as we discuss the most important topics that's going to govern the price of our important crypto prices, Kamiranda. Simulan na po natin on our episode, The Clarity Act. Ano na ba? Ano na bang kasunod? Ano na po nangyayari in this episode with Coach Miranda Minor?
You are listening to Coach Miranda Minor in his daily crypto live.
Let's start with this video, Kamiranda.
I don't know if you've had a chance to crank through the text. I know that you're a supporter of this bill and the need for a framework. Will this pass?
Eventually, yes. It's a question of timing. It's sort of when, not if. Though the debate right now on Capitol Hill is a lot of if. The Democratic Party, particularly the pro-crypto Democratic senators that are part of the coalition working on the bill, have raised real concern about so-called ethics language. And that pertains directly to the president.
All right, I'm gonna pause there. Himayin natin, sinabi niya, there is a concern of the ethics language. Ano po ba ito? Simulan na po natin in this particular episode. Unang-una, let me discuss with you the timelines na nangyayari ngayon with the Clarity Bill. Kamiranda, unang-una, no, marami na pong nangyari since January up until June, no, to highlight na draft na ang Digital Market Clarity Act, Senate Banking Committee Framework. Pinakamaganda dyan is nagkaroon na nga ng committee negotiations noong April. Completed na yan at nagkaroon ng amyenda at nagkaroon na nga ito ng pagpasa sa Senate Committee level with the overwhelming presence of Senator Loomis. At dahil nga dito nagkaroon na nga ng White House engagement kung saan dapat makipagtrabaho ang White House Republicans or Senate Republicans para magkaroon ng bipartisan support. Bakit nga ba kailangan magkaroon ng bipartisan support? Dahil kailangan nila ng 60 votes. Bakit kailangan ng 60 votes? Para walang magkaroon ng filibuster speech. Dahil kung not more than 60, merong isang Democratic senator na pwedeng magkaroon ng walang katapusang speech. Kaya niyang gawin yan, magkaroon ng filibuster level speech para ma-delay ito. But based on their Senate rules in the US, kapag nagkaroon ng 60 or more votes, overruled ang filibuster vote, Kamiranda. So dahil dito, ano nga ba ang pinag-uusapan natin? Ito na nga, no? Himayin po natin itong mahalagang pinag-uusapan. Itong isang malaking issue na to na nilagay kong kulay yellow is the ongoing need to create an ethics call out. Ano ba yung ethics call out? Ito nga kasi ang gusto ng Democrats, sige, suportahan namin kayo, pero kailangan magkaroon kayo ng provision na wala sino mang individual kasama ang Pangulo, pangalawang Pangulo, miyembro ng Kongreso, senior executive officials or their families should be prohibited from owning, issuing, promoting, or financially benefiting from crypto assets. Mahalaga ito dahil alam niyo naman, napaka-vocal ni Eric Trump sa kanyang Bitcoin mining. Napaka-vocal ni President Trump sa kanyang mga positions in trading at to the tune of talagang halos day trader levels ang lumalabas sa kanya. Kung kaya nagkaroon ng negotiation. With the most recent update na lumabas, pumayag na ang Senate Republican group na ilabas ang text na naglalagay ng bawal na. Sige na, payagan na po natin na bawal na talagang magkaroon ng pangingialam ang Pangulo. But ito na nga, very fresh update just 6 hours ago, no? 6 hours ago, Kamiranda, lumabas na po ang update na hindi yata pumapayag ang Democrats. Sabi ng Democrats ng mga nagsalita, no? Sabi nila hindi enough. It falls short. Key provisions including addressing ethics for elected officials, consumer protection, etc. ay kulang. Kumbaga malabnaw ito. We have been working in good faith with our Republican colleagues for the past year and will continue doing so to get this over the finish line. Medyo, if you read that word over the finish line, medyo nakakakilig. Kasi meron naman yatang plano talaga. Kung bibilangin natin, Senators Brooks, Booker, Masto, Gallego, Hickenlooper, so there's technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 votes coming from Democrats na kailangang maipanalo. Kailangan nila yung 7 na yan para maitawid yan. If you remember, also Brooks was the one who also voted on the committee level for a yes, pero sinabi niya not automatically on the plenary level. May mga ni-request siya dyan, kaya yan na nga, no? Lumalabas na unang-una siya sa mga nagsasabing kulang pa or malabnaw pa. Balik tayo ngayon doon sa ating research, Kamiranda, no? So, mahalaga itong pag-usapan dahil bumibilang na lang po tayo. Pakiting mabuti, Kamiranda. Pakitingnan po. Yung Ethics Committee amendments, yan po ay mahalaga dahil by July 27, few days from now, 4 days from now, simula na po ang House recess. Magiging deadline for both chambers to resolve differences if the bill advances. So kailangan yung both versions ng House, Congress at ng Senado ay ma-reconcile na 4 days from now. Bakit? Because by August 10, Senate recess na. Pag hindi ito ay naipasa ng both chambers, mahihirapan na ito until mid-September. Uulitin ko po sa mga nag-aantay ng Bull Massive Candle, 4 days na lang. July 27 ang aabangan natin at August 10, Kamiranda. Sabihin na natin na pumasa ito ng August 10 na ihabol natin. Doon magkakaroon ng House-Senate reconciliation. Therefore, August, congressional approval and September will just be signing for it to become a law wherein SEC and CFTC can begin with rulemaking and pwede nang magkaroon ng IRR or implementing rules and regulations under the new framework. Kamiranda, this is a very, 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 very important time. 4 days na lang before mag-July 27. At humigit kumulang less than 20 days na lang before mag-August 10, Kamiranda. Yan na po, the time is ticking para maipasa ito. Alam nyo ba, medyo umangat ng konti. Nagkaroon ng pag-angat si Bitcoin ng $66,000. Medyo may pag-angat po ng konti si Kuya Bitcoin noong naulinigan niya na, teka lang, mukhang nagkaroon na ng pag-sacrifice ng kanyang puso si Republicans. Ibig sabihin, no? Nilabas niya na yung ethics niya na okay na, makikipag-negotiate na kami, okay na kami, walang participation si Trump or any individuals. Kaya medyo umangat ito ng konti, 66,800. Bumaba po ito ng ganitong trajectory, mapapansin ninyo, dahil few hours after, naglabas din naman ng sulat ang Democrats na, teka lang, malabnaw pa ito, kalma lang. No? So, ang mangyayari, tutuloy-tuloy ito paakyat even to the 70-75 level basta magkaroon lang ng linaw na willing na makipag-compromise. Sa aking palagay, Nara Financial Advice, ang Democrat sa kanilang posisyon, no, in this particular case, Kamiranda. So, ang tanong dito, will they be willing, Kamiranda, na ipasa ang democratic support? Yan po ay nakasalalay sa maraming aspeto pero babantayan po natin ito over the next 4 days. All right, as quickly as that, if this live is able to give you insights as far as 10 minutes, marami pong salamat. And if you like this format, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and of course, follow Coach Miranda for everything about crypto all in one channel. The question is, will there be clarity in the Clarity Act? The next 4 days, the next 20 days, abangan ang susunod na kabanata.
You are listening to Coach Miranda Minor in his daily crypto live.
Ihabol ko lang ka, Miranda, if you would like to vote for Coach Miranda Minor on the ongoing Best Trading Advisor, pakiboto po ito. Si Coach Miranda Minor, vote for GMMG if you would like to vote for us as the Best Trading Advisor. And of course, if you are from Davao, paki-take note po itong Davao event namin. Meron po kaming crypto certification course dyan sa Davao. If you are from Lanang, from different parts of Mindanao that you'd like to travel, visit us on our Go Hotels Lanang certification course for traders, Miranda. All right, maraming salamat. Love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Ka Miranda.